Hello, today we are going to make this mani here. I am starting with a base of Spellbound Nails in Just 7 Days from her upcoming Rocky Horror Valentine collection, or depending on when you're seeing this, that it may already be out. Then we're going to stamp images from UberChic Beauty plate 2201. We're going to stamp these beautiful layered jewel images onto the tips of the nails. I'm going to start with Messy Mansion Sterling for the first layer. Then we're going to perform some glitter magic. And then I'm going to stamp with Messy Mansion Carbon. And then I'm going to do my second jewel here. It doesn't matter exactly how you layer these in the first layer, because in the second layer we're going to go on over it. And I made a little bit of an error there, but it's not going to matter, and you'll see why. All right, now comes the fun part. We are going to use these chrome flakies from Beauty Big Bang. I'm going to put some top coat here, just like a little palette that I can work from. Put in my little top coat here, and then I'm going to I still gotta have some top coat, of course, left on the dotting. I still have some top coat left on the dotting tool, so I'm using that. And I'm going to just fill this in. Now, if you're not getting the coverage you want, you can go back. You can add a little bit more in there. You want to try to stay inside as much as possible. That's the key. So this is why I've stamped it in silver, because then if I don't get quite to the edges, that's okay. I'm going to have the look of silver there anyway. I want a little bit more right in here, so I'm going to go back. Now I'm going to just press down gently, because I don't want to squish it outside, but I want to get it as flat as possible. Alright, and so now I'm going to go over and top coat it. So we want to get it kind of as smooth and in place as possible. And while that dries, I'm going to do the rest of them. Okay, so one thing I noticed when I was top coating this is that when you do a sweep with your top coat brush, it may pick up some of the glitter. So now for this one, I just wiped it off. I did a swipe and then wiped it off. So if you have that problem, you might want to worry about that. I actually don't mind if there's a couple of little flakies. I think it's pretty. But now we're going to do the second layer of stamping here. So we're going to do that with the black. And as always, I messed that up a little bit because I'm on camera, but you get the point there. You see how that now gives this really sparkly gemstone across the bottom of your nail. So I'm going to do the rest. Okay, and now I'm going to do a final top coat and then clean up. And there you have it. There is the final look. And I will put the still shot in again here. And thank you for watching. And then we're going to perform some magic, and then we're going to put